Ciao, welcome back to the channel. I'm Luca, your Android engineer, and in today's video we're taking a look at the latest release of Now in Android, edition 109. This edition covered the latest Android 15 Beta 4, the final update in the beta release cycle. This release is the second platform stability release, which means that all APIs and app-facing behavior become final, and apps targeting Android 15 can now be published on the Google Play. If you're using emoji, your app requires some changes, as PNG-based emoji have become legacy, shifting toward vector-based emoji. Predictive back animation, low light boost, insight into app startup, screen recording detection, and partial screen sharing are also new features coming along with this new Android release. There are some announcements regarding the device streaming service that Google announced in open beta back at Google I/O of this year. More device manufacturers such as Samsung, Xiaomi, and Oppo are joining the offer and will now offer their device to test our application. The service is offered by OmniLab and it will be accessible directly from inside Android Studio. We need to sign up for the early access to OEM Lab devices. There is a form you will need to fill, and I'll leave the link down below in the video description. The form is now shown on the screen, and it's just a few parameters that you need to fill to submit the form. It's nothing special. And as always, let's take a look at AndroidX releases. Both Wear Proto Layout and Wear Tiles get an update to version 1.2.0 and 1.4.0 respectively. For games, lots of libraries received an update in the last period. Games activity reaches 3.0.5, game text input 3.0.4, games performances tuner 2.0.0, and games frame tracing 2.1.0. Paging library and annotation includes additional Kotlin multi-platform targets. A new version of the Compose compiler, 1.5.15, is also released, and that targets Kotlin 1.9.25. Many other libraries from Work Manager to Lifecycle, Fragments, Activity, Collection, Media, and Translation also received an update. And that was all for this short edition of Now in Android. You can find out more in the link that I will leave in the description. Thanks for watching, and till next time, peace.